What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up Canva, and from the Canva homepage, search presentation. Here you will find different templates. You can choose one that fits your style. Click on the template and then select customize this design to open it in the editor. If you click on the three dots on one of the slides, you will be able to add and duplicate different pages. You can also adjust the different font, the colors, and upload different images to customize your presentation. When you're finished, click present to show slides. And finally, you can also download your design. And that's how to create a presentation in Canva.